been talking about inflation and investing and the difference this week. So, inflation is basically explaining how everything goes up in price. And if you do nothing with your money, your £10 this year will be worth less next year because you can't afford to buy things that will have gone up in price because your money stayed the same and the cost of everything else increased. So, how do you balance that out? You have to make your money increase in value. So, yesterday I said to you, make a list. I did suggest an Excel spreadsheet, but make a list and work out how much money you're getting on all of your accounts. And then at the end, I mentioned Raisin. Now, Raisin is a bank. It's a bit like one of those sort of money supermarket things where you can find out different places that you can put your money and earn interest on it. You can earn it for short term, for notice periods, for fixed periods, easy access. There's a lot to learn here. And if you listen to my podcast this week, I'll explain more about it. But check it out, book a call.